Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Whoa! Wow, she has the most beautiful silver long hair. The stylist braids the hair up and chops the hair off. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's got some grown out color, getting a touch up, and beautiful layered haircut here. Loving the color touch up, so pretty. This has such a nice little like sun-kissed vibe to it, and the layers just really makes the color pop even further. So here we see this switch up to a reddish brown pixie style. She's got some choppy layers here for some height. Great haircut option if you have hair on the thinner side. And then we pivot over to someone who has mid-back length hair. The stylist places the hair into ponytails and cuts the hair into a gorgeous bob. I love how much body this bob has. So cute. So here we have someone with mid-length hair, and she gets a cute pixie style here. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair, and she gets a cute pixie with bangs, followed by this beautiful red pixie. I love this color, so pretty. And this is a hair color that's been trending all this year. So here we have someone with hair just past the shoulders. She gets a color touch up here. And a gorgeous bob. She's rocking out the beige blonde trend with this look. So here it looks like we have someone at the shop for a cut refresh, giving us messy pixie bob. I love the slight tussle texture she has with this cut. So here we have someone with a pixie. Looks like she is at the salon for a cut refresh. And she gets a cute little refresh with the bangs going there in the front. Very nice. And you can see that the crown is thinning, so the stylist did do some texture to make a thicker appearance. So this particular client looks like she does have some broken pieces off here towards the ends. Maybe it's damage from the color. But the stylist does chop off that damage, doing more of a blunt bob haircut. Her hair looks so much healthier with the cut, and I really like the way that the color looks, honestly. Very cute mini bob. So here we have someone with long, luscious hair, and bam! Hair is cut into a bob. So cute. Such a gorgeous bob makeover. So here we have someone, looks like she has a pixie haircut here, platinum color. The stylist is doing a cut refresh. Oh, that is so cute. It's a nice little like shaggy pixie look here. So here we have someone with hair just below their shoulders. She is going much shorter with this cut. Oh, wow. She went super short, getting more of that like boy cut pixie style. Wow. I was not expecting for her to go that short. So then we move on to someone who has this gorgeous copper orange colored hair. Hair is around shoulder length or so. Stylist does some color here, some cutting. Oh, wow. Look at the shape. Oh, this is so cute with the color and everything. Perfection.